Hello, best wishes for all of us. I hope we are in the good condition. In this presentation, we're gonna presenting our third project in semester 4 entitled Student Information Web.
We are from class 4 Idham and we are from group 8. My name is Grandy Damarnegara and my partner name is Christian Jonathan. System analysis. In today's era, data collection and data entry can be done using a system. Previously, we may have had experience of collecting and filling data in writing and using physical evidence or a paper or book. But the drawback is that if the item is lost or exposed to the water, it cannot be done. Just as before, with the presence of a student information system, it can simply the process of collecting and storing data. Student information system is a system that is conceptually to facilitate the task of managing a class or school on behalf of students and the subject data. Our system is designed using Visual Studio Code and MySQL for the database part. For our system process is as follows. First, we have page main menu. Second, we have page to login and sign up. Third, we have page for managing student data. And fourth, we have page for managing course data.
And this is the display of our main menu in the first section. And then we have the main menu in the second section.
And this is our login page. And this is for the sign up page.
And next we have student page. Also in the student page, we have input data student page.
And we have courses page. And we have input course page.
And this is for our database design. Next, we can demonstrate to you about our website, about student information web. So this is the demonstration. So in the first section, we have the login page, and this is the example when we have the account for the student information. The account is successfully logged in, and when we don't have the account, we just sign up, input the username, password, and confirm the password. And this is the example when the confirm password is wrong. And this is the example when the password is right. So we just input our username and password into the login page. This is the example first when the password is wrong, and after that, this is the successfully account. This is the page in our student information. We have home, courses, tutors, and contact. In the student page, this is the example when we delete the data, delete the student data. And this is the example when we input the new student data. We input the full name, email, after that address and the phone number, and just save the data. So basically after we input the student data, the data is gonna save in our database. Successfully input data, and the example one of the Phoenix, the name Phoenix is already input. This is the example when we edit the data. Medi Safira, we add some last name. We add some Anastasia in the last name, and the edit is successfully. The next in the courses page, this is the example when we delete the courses. And this the example when we input the data course. We input the religion with the duration, and just save data, and the data is gonna save in the database. After that, we just log out to login our account in student information. Okay, everyone. So that's all our presentation in our third project in semester 4, entitled Student Information Web. I hope this presentation can help you to understand what the project we have made. Thank you for your attention. My name is Christian Jonathan and my partner name is Grandy Damarnegara. See you.